Good morning, welcome back to my tutorials, and we are still in the mathematics tutorials. Our topic for today is geometric progression, which we are going to be discussing more on the nth term and the sum of all terms in a geometric progression. So for example here, uh, we have for geometric mean between 3 and 729, and we are asked to find the fourth term of the geometric progression. So the terms you could use an. N stands for the term, the nth term, and then a obviously is could be a1, the first term, and r is the ratio, and then to the power of n minus 1. So for example, 3 and 729 could be in the first and sixth term because there are four terms between 3 and 729. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5. There are six terms. This is 3 and this one 729. Okay? So this one could be 9, right? Because the ratio should be, just an example. Okay, the ratio should be, so 3 and 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Just an example, okay? To find for the value of r, meaning r is equal to the second term divided by the first term. So if the second term is 9, example, and then the first term is 3, so r is 3. But you have to prove this one, okay? So our n here is equal to 6. And then, of course, a1, okay, our a1 or a is equal to the first term, which is 3. So from the formula, we have an, okay, is equal to 3 for a, and then you have r n minus 1. Our n is 6 minus 1, so this is 3 r to 5. Okay. Okay, so if we have to compute for the fourth term, so a4 is just equal to a, which is 3, and then r, okay, r, which is 4 minus 1. Okay, but here okay, here we can already compute what would be our r. Okay, so if our n is 6, a6 is 729. So from here you have 729, and then 3r is to 5 to the power of 5. Therefore, we can have here r is equal to 3. Okay? So in other words, for a4, from here, you can have a4 or the fourth term equal to 3, and then r is equal to 3. And then you have here 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. In other words, a4 is just 81. It is just like 3. This becomes 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. And then times 3 and so on and so forth. Okay. Now, just an example, if you are going to ask or to be asked or to compute the sum, okay, sum of the geometric progression, for example, so we can have S, which is our formula. S is equal to a r n minus 1, and then r minus 1. Okay, it's given or it's already calculated. The value for a is equal to 3. So we can write here 3. R is also equal to 3. How many terms do we have? N. We have 6 terms minus 1 all over 3 minus 1. R is 3. minus 1. Using your calculator, we can have S is equal to 1092. Okay, so in other words, you have A1, A2, A3. This is 3, 9, 27 plus plus up to A6, which is equal to, what is our A6? 729. If we are going to sum up all of this one, that becomes 1092. Okay, that's all for today. Please follow me, like this video, and then share this video as well. Thank you and have a wonderful day.